Hi, happy holidays from Amy of Amy's Mix of Creativity. Okay, so I've got the new Doodlebug designs. Oh, so what fun. Oh, what's so fun? What is it called? Oh, what fun. Their new line from Doodlebug Designs, which is adorable, and I wanted to get it on here to share. I just got it today. It took a while for it to come via USPS service. I guess there was some, snowstorm, so that we have to understand about that this time of year, right? So there was a big delay. I hope that my lighting is okay. I'm sitting on the other side of my table, hoping that my light above me shines down more so that things are bright, and that you can see them well. But this is what I have right now to share with you, and I just really quick want to go through everything. So let me move it over to the side. Let me start with the Doodle Pops that were right on top. This is the cute, oh my goodness, such a cute one. Little reindeer with some cardinals. Perfect for Christmas time. How cute is that, huh? And here you got a shaker pop. It has little hearts inside of the mug. So it's really cute, but it's, like a Christmas theme with the hearts, so special. And of course, Santa Claus. How can I not get a Santa Claus? I get these Doodlebug design collections for the last couple years, and I always want to have those cute, sweet little Doodle Pops on hand. I like to collect them mainly. But here's some really cute things that are called shape sprinkles. They're glossy enamel stickers that are raised up. So cute. Goody Goody Gumdrops. That's the name of it. So, yeah, right there it says. So, yeah. Okay, so here's the mini icon stickers that come with their collections. You get 3 different sheets. Let me just go over each one. Show this. Look how cute. Oh, my goodness. They're really tiny stickers, some of them, but they're so adorable. Santa with in an airplane with a gingerbread man. Okay, that's the first sticker sheet, and this is the second sticker sheet. So you get little houses in this one, a snow globe, a lot of stockings, so that's really cute. Here you get Santa and Mrs. Claus, little miniature ones. Santa in an armchair, that's cute. Santa's Toy Factory. And now you got Santa Express in a helicopter. Adorable. I love their stuff so much. It's I don't know. They make such cute things. I know it's not for everybody, but look at that. Look how bright those colors are. I just love it, with the pinks and the blues mixed in with the traditional colors. Again, this is Oh What Fun collection. You can find it online. I get it off Simon Says Stamp, but I think they also have them on scrapbook.com. And they might, on a cherry on top might have them also. So you just kind of do a search, and you should find them. Oh, I forgot to take off the bottom, that connects the pit. Oops. Let me just get my scissors. I opened up all kinds of things, but that I didn't open up. So, just try to gently cut it with my scissors. There you go. Okay, so this is a 6x8. They used to do 6x6 for Doodlebug. You know what? I'm going to do the other side, so I don't have to keep turning it around. But here, really pretty flowers on Santa Claus, little gingerbread boys, men, whatever you want to call them, snowflakes. Sparkles, lights. So these pages are mainly, just basic designs. You got some gingham Again, I'll turn it around so you can see the cut aparts, mostly on the other side. Pretty stripe. Another really nice plaid gingham. And I really like that. And then it repeats. Okay. Let me flip it over. Oh, I would think that would have been the front page. But it's actually on the back of it, but that's okay. 'Tis the season to be jolly. It's a cute 6x8 full page, you know, cut apart that you can put into a album if you'd like. Here's some tags. Pretty basic tags, easy to cut apart. These are mini tags, which are adorable. I'll go over the 12 by 12 that I got too, that's a little bigger so that you can see those even better. It's like an advent for an advent calendar. More gingham. Just yellow sparkle page. Merry Christmas, that's nice and big. These are for planners or journals. Cute little lists too for making Christmas lists. You got some cut aparts here that are strips, and then there's like little you know, pretty tiny. They're pretty small. You can see how small they are, you know, compared to my hand. But very cute. Another gingham design. Some traditional colors, some non-traditional colors. Here's some more cut aparts and toppers. Little sentiment strips. Other strips up here. Very cute. And then it repeats. Okay, so that is the Oh What Fun 6x8 paper pad, 24 double card stock pages. Here is the 12 by 12 paper pack. It's pretty much the same things, but a little more, obviously much bigger. This page is called Check the Halls. Not Deck the Halls, but Check the Halls. Very cute. Here you got the cut aparts on the other side. I love the colors in here with the blue. And these are just, oh, this would be good for Valentine's Day too. This page is called Merry Christmas. This is Spot of Cheer, little spots, and you got the really big tags on this side, which are great for decorating. And I love the pinks and blues in this collection. This page is Cookies and Candy. Christmas Eve. Here's a bunch of strips. Really cool. Merry Magic. With the journal and list pages. This one's called Twinkle Time. I love all the little lights. They're so cute. And just a regular yellow page on the other side with some sparkles. All spruced up. I love the names they put on these. That's really cute with the gingham. And another, like a red gingham. So you got the green gingham and then the red gingham for decorating. For like backgrounds and for maybe frames. Festival Flannel is this one. And that's the Advent calendar. Here is Snow What Fun. So the collection is called Oh What Fun, but that's what this page is called, Snow What Fun. And I love the tags. I always love making these tags and sending them to family and friends, especially little kids in my family. This one with the Santa Claus is called Here Comes Santa. It just has red with white dots on the back. Merry and Bright. Cute stripes. And on the back of here are some really nice cut aparts that could just make cards. So it's a really great collection for Christmas. And on the end of the collection, they have a sticker, sticker sheet, which has all kinds of really nice, fun stickers, very bright and colorful. Great for this collection, great part of the collection. You got your strips here that are all stickers, all the little sentiments and the toppers, and the little extras. Remember, you have like, they always give lots of cute little hearts that can also be used for Valentine's Day. So if you don't get to use all this for Christmas, if you get this collection, you know, you can bring it out and use some of the stuff for other holidays too, or, you know, whatever you want to do. So I also got odds and ends like I usually do, and bits and pieces. I didn't get chit chat this time. That's their like sentiments and everything. But I want to go through these real quick. I'll do bits and pieces first. I'm not going to go through every single piece, so don't worry. I try not to let these videos go too long. Of course, I didn't take them out of the plastic because I didn't want them all over like I'm going to do right now, where I'm just going to put them all over my little paper here. So here, these are some really cute. On the back you can see, kind of get an idea of what's actually in the packet, so that in case you want to look at it that way. And then you got papers and little toppers, Santa Claus, a cute wreath, some trees. Okay, so this is a little pocket. It has a variety of, you know, different items that can be used in all kinds of different ways. You get a little here comes Santa Claus train. So if you have children in your life, and, you know, like grandchildren or your own children or nieces and nephews or whatever, these collections are so cute and just so much fun. So I would definitely suggest checking them out. That's the bits and pieces. Now I just want to go through the odds and ends. I'm going to try to get out some more videos soon so that, you know, before Christmas I will have quiet time with my family. And, you know, my son's coming home from college this weekend, and then that's when we get to decorate and get ready for Christmas. But here's the back of that. Bring it up real close so you can see it has a lot of things in it. 203 die cut pieces. And remember, these are all die cuts, they're not stickers. But this has a lot of like the acetate, you know, snowflakes. Like in one of the, I think last year had a lot of those too in their collection. But yeah, look at all the stuff. I mean, it would take me forever to go through all this. But oh, look, it's like a cute little like village house. This is called Coco Cafe, Santa's Toy Factory. You got gingerbread bakery. Oh, I got the I don't know if people know this, but I had my son buy me the books that are for that are the I think it's called Dream Harbor collection. I would check it out if you like cute things. It's a really cute collection of books about a town where people, you know, like they'll be about the village bookshop, and it will be you know, a little romantic tale with a little mystery in it. I heard it's a really good collection. But if you're thinking of, you know, if you like want to read something that's really light and fun and enjoyable, kind of like a Gilmore Girls type of thing, I heard it's really good, so I'm going to get that. It's going to be my present from that. My son asked me what I wanted. I told him I'd like that collection, so I'm going to get that hopefully for Christmas. I know I'm going to get it. Anyway, here's, you know, just some cute little snow globes. Yeah. So this is a really cute collection for Christmas, and I hope everyone is doing all right, and that, you know, you're not getting too crazy with all the stuff that has to be going on this time of year. Remember to treat yourself well, be patient with yourself and your loved ones. You know, give yourself grace. Make sure that you know, enjoy the holiday like it's supposed to be enjoyed. I hope that we all can do that this year, and have a good one. Thanks. Bye.